This is the All-Stars.
This is Gorski shell.
Now there's a show.
Oh! Yeah!
Look at that!
That is gorgeous. What an unbelievable shell, Ned.
Would you like to see another Ned Gorski shell?
Yeah!
Hell yeah!
Here's another 12-inch double petal chrysanthemum.
He pasted all these? Connie, Jim pasted all these shells?
Oh, they're on Jim's machine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ned won Best Exhibition show last year on the machine.
I saw that.
Built at the convention.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw the videos. It was incredible. It was one of the
He
most...
built it at the convention.
That's even more.
Okay, apparently we have a little bit of a problem with that one.